Alright, so I just had a breakthrough. Not really a breakthrough because it's kind of useless, but we'll go with it. Using hold prompt entanglement, I just posted a video on that. You can go check it out on my channel. It's possible to hold the SHEIKAH slate or the paraglider and cook them into a recipe. I don't know what this will do for weapon modifier corruption. I don't really feel like testing it, so tell me in the comments. Anyway, here's how you do it. I have my old setup file from before, with a bunch of food, and the items I wanted to hold. I have invalid star already set up, as you can see by the cursor on the star, for a split second. I only want 2 pages of food, so I'm just going to eat these. Close the inventory and reopen it. And now I only have 2 pages of food before my key items. Then, I'll just set up the glitch like normal. Hang on. There we go. First, I'm going to hold the SHEIKAH slate. I did that too slow. There we go. 1, 2. As you can see, I am now holding the SHEIKAH slate. Yeah, there's not much more you can really do with this. I mean, in the real world, it looks like he's holding it, but if you start to move, then it just kind of stays in place. Now, you can pause again and hold something with it. So, holding my SHEIKAH slate, I'm just going to go ahead, walk on over to my cooking pot, and throw it in there. And we'll see what happens. So it looks like it cooked a regular simmered fruit, and if I go on over to my inventory and check it out, it still says there's only an apple in it. I don't get my SHEIKAH slate back. I wonder if it's still over there. Okay, no, it's not. So for the time being, you can't cook the SHEIKAH slate into a dish. At least not using hold prompt entanglement. But the paraglider is a different story. Wait for the save to load. Then I'm going to eat my food like I did last time. There we go. This time I'm going to run near the cooking pot just to make it easier to test. Okay. Sort the inventory tab. As you can see, instead of being on the side, the paraglider is actually in here. Next, I need to close the inventory. And I'm actually holding it this time. I can walk around with it in my hands. All I need to do is hold one more thing. I think I'm just going to hold an apple. And go ahead and cook it right up. Still makes a regular simmered fruit. But if I go and look at the recipe, now there's a paraglider in it. What do you know? Would you look at that? Isn't that fantastic? I wonder if we're able to try and get, like, both a key item and a cooked food. I don't know. I wonder if that's possible. Oh yeah, so we still have my stuff. So what if I eat all but one food? And then I don't really remember how to do chained... Okay, roasted acorn. don't have more than one materials tab. Dang it. Alright, well, I guess that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Check out my other video if you want to learn how to do hold prompt entanglement. And I'll see you next time, I guess.